Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am working on my September Build a Journal challenge where we spend September building a journal one day at a time. And yesterday we spent time making envelopes. Today is September 25th, so we are adding them to our journal. Here are my envelopes. There's also a puppy on my lap. Yes, you're on my lap. Stop trying to kiss me. Stop. So I made 5 envelopes. These 3 will be all on the same page, and they're these little tiny ones. I used Address My Craft little die, and then I used my mini envelope punch from We Are Makers to make these. 4.5, 3 3/4, 2 3/4 were the size of my papers. And then this little teeny tiny die, which I have sitting right here so I can show you. It's this little tiny Dress My Craft mini envelope die right here. Okay, so today all we're going to do is, first of all, I'm going to get a little bit more comfortable here. Put your paws down. We are going to find spots in our journals to put our envelopes. As I said yesterday, you could have used pre-made envelopes. You could make envelopes any which way you want and any size you want, as long as they fit in your journal. You ready, bud? Yes. Okay, you can get down. You get down while I glue these in, okay? And then we'll go upstairs. Okay, so since I have yeah, 5, but technically 4 because I'm putting all of these on the same page, right? Whatever, I don't know. I'm going to just put, there we go. They're split up. That's how we're going to put them in our signatures. Do I want one on the front page? And then I can put, no, there's already that. That might be a little too busy. But we have this spot right here. I'm going to put it down here in the corner, and I'm going to glue it on only on 3 sides and make it also a pocket. So I'm just going to bring glue down. This is something that you could do with anything you add to your journal. I'm just going to put it down here and then get it on there good. Samson, don't you start. No. And then, hold on. Okay, sorry, I had to take the dog back. Upstairs. He barks the whole time for me. But then doesn't want to be down here, which I knew. I knew that. I'm looking for a scrap piece of paper here. Okay, so see, pocket. Okay, next. How are you guys liking your journal? If you're following along and playing along, let me know down below how you're liking it, because I'm sure yours is getting chunky by now, isn't it? It should be getting chunky if you're following along. Should be getting very chunky. So we're just going to put this guy here. Once again, I'm going to make it into a pocket. There we go. I'm going to put it over here a little bit. Okay, and then move on to the next signature. Here it is. Let's put, oh, look how cute those look there. Should we put them there? I think so. I'm going to use double stick tape because glue, you can sometimes, look, you can see the glue through even if it dries. Double stick tape, I find, does not give you the same issue. I'm just going to, okay, I'm missing one. Where did the other one? Oh, there it is. Yeah, I don't think double stick tape gives you the same sort of issue that glue does. And honestly, then I don't have to wait for the vellum to dry. Vellum takes a little bit longer to dry than paper does. And you can put your, listen, you can add your pockets anyway, add your envelopes any way you want. You don't have to make them pockets. You can just glue them straight down. You can use double stick tape. however, whatever works for you. I'm going to just put these on here. And then I'm going to put them all on in a different direction. I really like how this looks. It's super cute. And then like that. And then I can come back and put little pieces of paper in these envelopes also if I choose to, but I like how that looks. And then we have one more envelope. So let's go on the other side of our middle of our signature. And this one right here. We'll put it right there. And this one I think I'm just going to glue all the way down. I'm going to use the double stick tape again. It's a thicker paper. I don't feel like waiting for it to dry. Listen, I'm honestly over this dog. He knows where I am. I'm so sick of it. I'm honestly so sick of it, but it's the fault of his other owner. Not mine. He's been like this since we got him. He just has separation anxiety big time. Which is one of the reasons I didn't want to have to come down here and craft, but I like it better down here. I'm by myself. I don't have people bothering me. I can craft whenever I want. If I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning, I can come down here and craft at 7 o'clock in the morning, except for the dog barking. But you know, hopefully he'll get used to it. It's only been a few days. Okay, there we go. So that's all we did today was put our envelopes in, and they are super cute and they can stay open. If you prefer them to be open, you can add papers to them, whatever you want. You can wait and add stuff to them later on. And I can't believe I put both of them. Did I put both of them on the same side of the signature? I must have. I never do that. Where is the other one? Oh, no, I didn't. Look at that. I did not. Okay, so there we go. And we're getting fatter and fatter and fatter. So, tomorrow is the 26th, and tomorrow we are making altered paper clips. We're making dangles. We're making tabs. We're making tassels. Anything that you want to make to add more decorations to your journal gets made tomorrow. And then that is basically the last thing that we're making to go inside of our journal. After that, we will be adding a closure, a topper. We'll be making a topper, and then we'll be adding our topper to our journal. And then our journals will be done. Okay, you guys have been doing so good following along, and I hope this has been really great for you so far. But yeah, so tomorrow we're making paper clips, tabs, dangles, tassels, anything that you want to make is for extra added little decorations gets made tomorrow. And then the 27th, we'll add those to the journal. The 28th, we'll be adding a closure to our journals. I'm most likely just going to do ribbon is what I'm going to do. Then we're going to be making our journal toppers, then adding our journal toppers, and that will take us to October 1st. And October 1st, there will be a full flip through of my finished journal where I will point out all the stuff that we made, all the things that we did, and what day they got made on. So that's something to look forward to. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to go spend a little bit of time with the dog before I come back down here and film some TikToks, which I have not filmed in forever. I have not had a short or a TikTok except for like little ones of me doing my room for a long time because I haven't had a chance to film any. So there's that. Thanks for joining me today, you guys. Like and subscribe and comment down below and let me know how chunky your journal is getting. I'm super curious to know. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.